Welcome back to Sledgehammer V thing.
Sledgehammer V fucking MtnDew.
Okay, so this episode, we're doing Sledgehammer V MtnDew and my terrible accuracy. Of course, all you all remember it. Let's see who wins. Okay, a very unexpected turn. It just kind of made a dent in it. Let's go for another hit. Get 3 hits, and then we just kind of throw it in the trash.
Precisely. And then
Okay, we're gonna try it on its side this time because we don't want to waste a video here.
trash.
We're gonna try it on the side this time. We don't waste a video here. I already said that, but you know. Okay, you know what? Screw the limited hits. That's what I'm talking about. Just demolished the can.
Muy bien.
And here's the other side of our friend, Mr. MtnDew.
Mr. Mountain Piss.
Yeah, Mountain Piss. That's what it tastes like. Fix this Mountain Dew. All right. Here we go. Okay.
Interesting.
Screw you. Screw you. Alright, that's it for this episode of Sledgehammer V Thing.
Next episode, we microwave a fucking banana.